we've learned that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's IP certification may be much improved to include dust resistance. While its predecessor, the Z Fold 4, was IPX8 water resistant, but according to Chanvi on Twitter, on top of the weight reduction, Samsung is also adding dust resistance, and we're aiming for an IP67 classification, which is of course water and dust resistant. Samsung will use a new water drop-shaped hinge, which will enable the gadget to fall entirely flat and will also allow for a more robust display that should be dust resistant. There will no longer be a crease in the middle of the display, according to several sources. Even if this hinge isn't capable of adding dust resistance, removing the crease will be a significant improvement over the Z Fold 4. Unfortunately, we have some depressing news about the Galaxy Z Fold 5's camera system, and that is not what we hoped to hear. The new 200-megapixel HP2 seen in the S23 cannot be used since Watch Universe has verified that the Z Fold 5 will retain the same camera module as its predecessor. To be honest, this was always a possibility, and there were just a few reports that stated we'd see the HP2 in the Z Fold 5. We had great expectations for something like the 108-megapixel HM3 sensor, but according to Chanvi on Twitter, that's not going to happen either. He stated that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would have the same camera system as the S23 Plus and the Fold 4. This means that it will include a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For such a high-end phone, I was expecting more from the camera system. Of course, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display and hardware have been upgraded. Of course, this is only a leak, but Chanvi has shown to be quite trustworthy on several times, so this isn't good news. Samsung has begun hinge testing on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. They will be folding smartphones 5 days a week for a total of 200,000 folds, followed by another for 300,000 folds. The 200,000 folds will be used for basic wear and tear testing, while the 300,000 folds will be used to determine the peak limit, although Samsung hopes to keep 85% of its strength after the 200,000 folds. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.